Hello everyone, my name is Shivam and I'm a professional UI UX designer with having a 4 years of experience. Today I'm going to review another UI UX course according to these parameters. This review will be helpful for those who are freshers or who are willing to switch their career into this profession. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which is better according to my recommendation. You can check out from there. So let's start with the review. It's a UI UX design course by Animaster Design College and it is located in Bangalore and it's a certification course. And these are the stats like 6 month duration is there, eligibility, flexible hours is also there, 3 months, 4 months course is there, and it's overview about the UI UX and detailing about the user interface. And tools they are going to teach you is Figma and HT, and they have provided you an individual software certification, but they have a lack of tools like AI tools and Miro, Invision, Adobe Sketch, and all. And if we go down, these are the career options after UI UX design course. And these are the content like module 1 about introduction, user research is there, principle is there, it- designing of the UX UI, wireframe, as wireframe is the important topic in the UI UX course. And UI design consideration is also there. Wireframe is also there. Working with client is also there. And these are the student portfolio and testimonials is also there by choose any masters, and these are the highlights, design course overview, and FAQs, and rest nothing else. It's a footer. So if we give a rating according to these parameters, curriculum is not up to mark, but it's a 1 for me. User research and fundamental is also 1. UI design quality is 0 because the overall the UI design quality of the page is not looking good. Hand-on project is there, so it's a 1 for me. AI tools and not cover the all the UX UI tools like Figma Make, Adobe Sketch, etc. Mentorship and feedback is 0. Portfolio development is there, so it's a 1 for me. Placement and career support is also there, so it's a 1 for me. Course values fees is a 0.5 for me, as they have not a proper detailing about the fees and contain not a proper value about the course. So, and industry relevance update is also 0 for me because it's not a future oriented course. If we give a rating, it's a 6 out of 10 course, and it's a basic course. If you want to pursue on a beginner level, you can go with this course. But again, there are many better courses in the market which covers all the parameters. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which covers all the parameters and has a very good rating in terms of portfolio development and placement and career support after completion of course. I will add the link in the description. You can check out from there. Thank you.